points. Baby any goals as a Tosumenua, Omukuta 41 points. Out of Lions, Tosumensa Kuta 37 points. And a crowd of Foka Tosuma Kuma Konaya, Omukuta 37 points and Anopai, Yada Honsam, Amamo Jumedia Sonia Gokra. Now, Mammy found 2 days after the game. No, there's a new game. My team, my friends, Basecolis, Asomo, any Kumansia Sante Kodibobani, our Desa Kumasi Baba Sports Room, Desa Kodakosoma Kabakuma Timantina, and some. Basecolis as Omukoja, your friend Abdullah Ghazali after the game. Okazai.
Well, sometimes when you are playing this kind of league, especially in the second round, you see so many things happening. Because when you look at this game, the way the officiating officials, the way it go, I don't talk about officiating officials, but here I'll talk about it because I know what has gone into this particular match. What Kotoko has done in our camp, they didn't succeed. They have succeeded here, but I don't have anything to say because when you look at the fouls that they took against us in the both halves, it's unfortunate. But all what I can say is that we will continue to work on the players. They should put up their best in the pitch. Everybody was there to see. Everybody watch it on television and see what happened. At least I'm happy about the way they have played, even especially in the second half. Tactically, they played to the instruction that I've given in the dressing. It's unfortunate that we didn't get the equalizer.
Basecolis as coach friend say Abdullah Ghazali di tu yanema no pay don say mama na Kumasi Asante Kotoko coach your friend say Prosper na Tegum din komo na ogidin tun pass Kotoko our ties carded nanso plans no wo mugusu prove sampa on person me bibi edeba Kumasi Asante Kotoko yentie coach Prosper na Tegum after the game.
The tight shadows of the fixtures it doesn't give players enough time to rest, but then they've always shown high levels of energy in all the matches that we played. I think we played very well today. If you look at our structure on the field, we were able to hold on to the ball and then try as much as possible to tease them and then get the opportunity to create the opportunity to score. And out of that, we went on attack, and then the ball came back, and then Tinedu took the tender boot of a strike that took the deflection and went into the ball. I think in all, to me, our structure was good.
Sama Kumasi Asante Kotoko coach friends Prosper na Tegum di tudwa anopa de won say mama no se am to this players no ma prepare no ma recover no ana fe omo ye suspend o mu ina no omo ma kwa ba na mom ogitu mpasa be no mu ni okra na team no ewi ni de say team no anya balance ye pa yentie sama coach your friend say Prosper na Tegum di tudwa.
We are happy. It gives a lot of depth in the team. It gives us depth in the team. It gives us a lot of quality on the bench because it means that when somebody is tired or somebody tactically is not doing something right, somebody can equally come in and continue from where that person left off. So we are all happy. The injured players are gradually coming back, and then the suspended players have also served their suspension and they are back. So in terms of numbers, we now have numbers to select from. We are just hoping that Peter, Lord, Ablo and Co will also start training probably this week, and then with time, maybe in 2 weeks time, they can also start joining the team. Right.
We ene sama Kumasi Asante Kotoko coach friends Prosper na Tegum di tudwa no pay de won say mama mo wo dwumade no so na Crowns coach friends Rena Craft after omu game omu ne Legon Cities boy omu share Legon Cities 2-1 odi tudwa say no na chese game no two teams na no na obia e defend yentie sama coach friends Rena Craft edi tudwa.
I'm completely done, probably like the players. It was in the second half, it was a defending battle, defending the 3 points, and I just told the players if the final whistle there and a lot of players laying down on the back can't do anything anymore, then you know something was right. Any lessons? Yeah, it started 3 days ago against Karela. We're becoming more and more a team. We're becoming physically more and more better. As you can see, we can go for 90 with high pressure, with defending well. So we are developing. The team is really developing now.
and some Lions coach a friend is Rena Craft at 2 anima and opera don't some Emma Mojimeden Suna Legon City's coach. Your friend are champion to just why yet you bet me be and fat and where you bet to be as and combat Madingunim so onim de cost one Anko Mulusu 2-1 to Accra Lions. Yente coach Yawa Champo.
I think we conceded a very bad goals. I don't know the defenders. I don't know what they were doing. It's football. We have to take it away. I'm very, very disappointed because we need character. Matches like this and where the team is, we need players with character. But they are playing, but they are not playing with character. So how can you win a match if you don't put something, you don't show something? How can you win a match? It's not fun. It's not to play somebody. It's the results we want. So we have to. The mindset has to be. You have to win. For now, I don't know what to say because I've done anything that I have to do for the team to move on. So let's go to training and then we see how
and some coach friend say Yawa Champo de 2 Jano pay. You don't want some Emma Mojimede. Now, my phone to him say after say Vision FC any nation FC who gave me a banner we and bra na supporters no just omudia bom a just na ha dwie pa just akwaba ko de omu onene nyonkro omudia yirima na den se no a ye betima ti omu ananya grokra na de ekoso de na ye obi awon se na police ni bia no just de ekoso yina no e bi obetima bam na mpono nke bia entokwa ne sa pinche ekoso nke betima dia just no a after the game Vision FC any nation FC wo bo game ni no na supporters na dia boania na nya asem goto agwantero na wo hwe live on Sompa TV ana fe live on Sompa 93.1 FM on Facebook anopai ya de ho nsem Emma Ojimede so a enya grokra na yewuram our blaster so se ena anadwi wo mu awuram awo Morocco wo mu ene Madagascar e de koboani enya grokra no World Cup qualifier todwa ya de ho nsem Emma Ojimede so enya grokra na ye blasters eno wo ya wo last training almost prepare for Madagascar game and I just say na 7 p.m. Kana say video na da so abra blasters ayi am last in nra Otoado and odin sempedia to just say ojitum pass away about 12 game or say a gamer e mu be den edema two teams in yentie blasters coach Otoado.
I know everybody's excited, everybody was happy about our last win, but we still have a long way to go and we need everyone to be on their toes. We don't need 98%, we don't 99%, we need 100%. This is like a small final. And if we win this game, then we're really going towards to qualify, but it's going to be very, very tough. We observed the Madagascar team and they have done really well, especially in the last game. So they're in good form and it's going to be a tough game.
Sanonen sama blasters coach friend say Otoado di 2 anima and an opoye don want some Emma Mojimede so na former blasters captain Baby Jet Asamoah no di 2 just anamrantie no omunko game no mabra just omu aje omu adwen prepared omu anya ready for the game omunko with 100% just omu ho dey omu mentality and just omu bibia and enwuram na di two pass na betima koye Adamada Blasters of Ghana brand na dwi ya na Madagascar di boy di Morocco yentie Baby Jet Asamoah. Yes, and then some Baby Jet Asamoah ni 2 players na man opai ya don want some Emma Mojimede so na nkomodi na odi two that's Blasters sim ni de nyame anukura ni e team na mom azamrante de be hia bibi kakra ni nti ana omu ina na support om yentie Baby Jet Asamoah. And then some former Blasters captain Baby Jet Asamoah ni tudwa anopa de won some Emma Mojimede so na Steven Tornado appear also on first Ghana captain otime boy Eli Deme Kopima World Cup anya grako no so katim no na odi to just obom ranche number so winner omunya against Chad nemon we there a different game against Madagascar na yentie former Blasters captain Steven Tornado appear. Yes, and some former Blasters captain Steven Tornado appear. Adi to the anano pay don't some Emma Mujmedensua and Yagrokana Mumamene. I just stadium my boy host to game Blasters and soon Madagascar and Anna Morocco no scoreboard no be them. I just all is set for big game tonight. I just Madagascar and the Blasters of Ghana Dipo and Nana Dre Morocco and Yagrokra scoreboard and that's what I just say be them be set and Nana Dre just a few tour Kremoti Mrikabe Bubai na Bibian Swetima fan national official Bob on the na latest intelligence abana monone sama waboa no inano wode atu anim live on Sompa TV, live on Sompa 93.1 FM and after live on Sompa 93.1 FM on Facebook. Latest.
Okay. Ghazali, so hold here.
Yeah, Bibian.
Basek Holy Stars coach in some of the two jano. I'm saying can pay na interview na konkasa.
Oh, what they said you who and work and I said you who different from the who yeah, so the only way and work on was them say and on tank Kasam for officiating but for the very first time of a soccer fan, so maybe you know yeah and on one year
or so accuse Kotoko ye bibi or camp. Now Kotoko person or penetrating or camp any players.
Yeah, so
Ghazali in some or the okay, what are you
said now we are privy to all the happenings and you know who you know
no Martin I'm here any day.
Now we said you
me Martin live on TV.
Oh, when later said you know this stadium with the idea.
Me Martin live on TV. That's the who you know
yeah. I mean just
coach you know almost I'm ready.
The who ya na who ye.
What the 9:30 better. Okay, you're gonna find the some banana pay live on Sompa 93.1 FM. Whenever man patrol ko Facebook no so and you Sompa 93.1 FM. Now we follow now share. Now we to message to the banana pay back in kind to we to make the show. Sompa TV go YouTube so no banana subscribe na fe. What to message to the banana pay. The way what to make the person let me I'm not from Paton study Dicotana, no Pomaton, also Etme and Sampa Sompa, Abba with Dicoda National with the super good I saw coming off for what to the camera, not the plan who enjoy programs are. I was from Pativ, so YouTube rescue some Pativ subscriber for message and so banner and pay. You know what man, the person with my Kodama pay, the stomach with the bay, and some not a double pay. I'm a person with my Konosa, Ranford, Amafe, or Bapa Grace, and a stuff and to my boy MC Hano and that's a talk about heavy power more bread to man with the most number patron money I brought to the moment to move to my caps and Gali to do not for the most alarm then you put on Sakai and show the money for Pubokono leave for Pubokono Motas and report on a Panosaka no Potasa leave for Pubokono in the negotiations with already thing any most alarm with Patron Namia to man the very possible show already thing any most alarm to pay the Kataso, or study the contract and show the money for Pubokono, and in a report on the Pamasaka Patasa, already to the most of the passer or unfinished business, and we Europe Pamantoso, and I said, I'm here to my UEFA Champions League, or some Pamanto Tobacco, and the money for Pubokono, after Balantono, or show to be Jimmy, and still working for Europe Pamantoso, or the 365,000 pounds every 5 days. Now, no, I see come, but already day, and show the most of what I will live for Pubokono, expect a social replace the Kataso, and study the contract to the shoot the money for Pubokono, or bet to my return 400,000 pounds every 5 days, and you must show to my way, and the Egyptian god, already to the moment to my mood, my caps and my galley, I'm a patrol Pachuma, and shoot the money for Pubokono, and even Patrol couldn't to report on the pay, Moseka Patasa, very likely, sir, already to the 30 from back, and shoot the pen. ebesi kata so obe study the contract the so tabali for pubo kono no mu no report no pebese kapata say one be study the contract no by 2 years and the money for pubo kono mom and I run for study me atumna sessions weshwa already to the moment mabu the clubs alagali and for already to the fountain from back with patomo contract no say and the money for pubo kono e pa na here nanka clubs to the pay woman ya be possible person 2 boys and the feeling for pubo kono national for pubo first and I just be to my tie one two important players abumako until the more baba yetuma so the baby purchase players way one bit to my personal for to my partner and so the money for pubo kunto ya split already to the master law very fantastic the play basic so one day study the contract now and so the money for pubo kono and then according to latest report intelligence I don't know paying legal protest one turuma uram and so a yellow for pubo kuna so ya player bakwa ni patuli for pompeni for bre na mi patobuti vifre na mo kopade mamiato omo kono ni papa enu na ko kodin kono no mo for the girlfriend so omo for the player ko already to the Steven Gerrard omo na pebo so all convincing player no so the player no the player basic kata so omo study the contract omo for pubo kono aya brought for the Trent and Leicester and not Wobo money for Pubo Kono, live for Pompey for Wobo the contract extension offers at about Brontia, the team Elson, Trent, and Leicester not on 3 occasions. Nina Brontia rejected, Nana Patron International breaking, not live for Pompey first, another opportunity, sir, and can Gomona Brontia for the Trent and not say, not commitment to Commercial Beer or not, at the Pedimation Cat as a best study, the contract international to money for Pubo Kono, according to intelligence. And Pamekana live for Sumpa 93.2 FM. Oko Facebook restaurant follow. Now shout out to Mr. to the panel. I protest for Pompey for and another country the station offer. And I'm brought for the Trent and Leicester not. And I'm brought to the Tosi Bene. Another son the better to me for Pompey for Atlas Bill and Tinkono. Concerning the contract extension. Another so best study the contract now. I shoot the money for Pubo Kono. And then I'm putting my phone to the already. But they can't confirm to us. Young man to Bobo Kurma already to the Trent and Leicester not and we must pay contract agreement. Nami Anton Leicester says Westwa about to the Kokosaka and so Tamar young man to Bobo Kurma report on the pay. Monsa Kanama and I'm Patakuri to the latest report on the pay. Make no purchase we will believe for Bobo Kurasuya. We will depend on the defender. I brought to for the Baima Konate, aka Mr. Ibu, I brought to a Juma Banan and also Pitoka and the money for Bobo Kono. Real man to Bobo Kono and the Paros and to Bobo Kurina. Me according to report on the pay, Monsaka Patterson, Komodi were today, Artisan, Babuna Bronte to Komasomasa, and Fopen AC Kataso, asked the contract to the money for Bobo Kono, Namia Tumnas at 2026, and our contract to the Basudia, Namia Tumnas says Westwa, you're young to Bobo Kono, you need to make Chelsea coming to money for Paros and to Bobo Kono, the Boswa already said, Sikabia, the Patoli for Bobo Kono. Ebe demanding for the signature of a Bronte to the Baima Konotono, one also able to the church money for Pubo Kono, and in a report on the pay, Monsaka Patterson for Pompey for Omugosuna Bronte for the Baima Konote, the patron, they do Komono and Komono, and then there's some progress elsewhere to Mayatuna within the negotiations between the for Pubo Konote, a Bronte for the Baima Konote, Mr. Ibu, Osaka, that's what the money for Pubo Konotina, and a report on the pay. Monsaka, but the man will pay as well to the Subaru officer and your tip of annual solution with tenant for Russia as well strong party with us. What did one Portugal from to the Soko, John Fanti Bobo Kurima, already to the criminality. Cristiano Quintoli, only a former sporting director, and the man Bobo Kono, already by Tuma as a young sporting director, the man for Bobo Kono, and one Papa already to the bus Alakri, Echo for already to the Togo Motor, and if you Bologna Bayer, so already to the Togo Motai and Juma went to Bologna Bobo Kurano, Minister Minimum Stam, so bad Jew for Bobo Kurma, over to my boy, not for Jew for Bobo Kono, as to ask a top pick up the pieces not for Empono Italians in our country, and to Bobo Portman, also Emma Jew for Bobo Kono, already to the Togo Motor by on the same 3-year contract in Penifori, or Bobo Portman, so to the Jew for Bobo Kono, or for Jew for Bobo Kono, or the Jew for Bobo Kono at the time, and then Portugal. Pay, but no fun to the Masana Jew from Pinafore, and you're ready to be Togo Montessier. I'm on Patamoya, a critical yɛka analysis ɛnso de kyerɛ already tin ɛne tego mota so already tin tego mota yɛka to sɛ since ɔbɛyɛ adwuma as ɛyɛ manager ɛde ba twi fɛ bobo kono wonkono ɛnti na deɛ sɛ bɛtumi atoa so ne wɔyɛ adwuma bio ɛnti already tin tego mota mpanimfoɔ mpanimase toɔ Oba Pamano, also so much compensation, also to already to the Tego Mota. Now, within the meeting, already to the Cristiano Quintoli, according to intelligence, no Panagra Pachasa, or catch already to the Tego Mota, already to the Tego Mota, when you will pass, maybe for some Panama, as many Tanama to from Bobokono, one couldn't take 10 time, young Tamanon, Toshu Granatuma, and some over to from Bobokono to Pababa, and then Pato Drew from Pentecost, and not for Butin Komosin Koda, no kono no pata say already to the equal to do onon naso e coach say and perfect my point already to the equal to do say papa no toss nothing in the meantime on for two for bobo could anyway aye 2024-2025 Italians we are catching na me team national no mo to national already team any equal to the bit my trust as manager with my another 1 year and so to for bobo kono am the press to ko and so to bobo kono to kaka and profit for bobo kono ya and so the bam ni patrol ko chance bobo kono ya but no for to the Mr. Bronte for the Santo and you play was second to Manchester United bobo kono chance in per for ko ya o mo ko for Bronte on a long deal some Bronte for the Santo Malik o mo for the second and for the chance bobo kono report on the Premier Patasa deal man a long deal na chance in per for no we make £10 million and the Manchester United bobo kono so na me antum na signal so na se chance in per for champagne already thing and the Santo ni deal na o mo to say no person be no a permanent o mo ko £25 million and so to Manchester United bobo kono and no according to report intelligence and no permanent Patasa Uram also our Manchester United bobo kono but particularly cross mission to the say chance in per for o ma Bronte for the Santo the deal and permanent just a chance in per for £5 million compensation and the Manchester United bobo kono it chance in per for other so be and master when you boboka with this one boboka and dealer Manchester United from any chance bobo kono and you want to manage pay and so we to so me ko Arsenal bobo kono so here me ko to kakra e wo Arsenal bobo kono ram e wo Facebook kono so Champagne 3.1 FM now follow now share now to master to the panel pay you may to so we to so and now to talk about for the Victor Jokeres and you play second the sporting team bobo kono or Papa Grace for the picture and team this way now Bronte for the Victor Jokeres was second and the sporting team bobo kono Arsenal perform the most scouting team when you sporting Toronto Bay already to Mikel Arteta Mantra manager and the Arsenal bobo kono Patasa bobo trust no more striker and me to the season obeto Bonafé Premier League obeto Todia and Bronte for the Victor Jokeres report on the Premier League Patasa when Mr. Arsenal bobo kono we are requesting for a meeting with Bronte the for the Victor Jokeres the agent so me Papa we want to manager Bronte for the Victor Jokeres hey you perceive not for your team come to the beer you make to find your agreement not for Bronte the for the Victor Jokeres upon the Mr. Kai and so to Arsenal bobo kono mami Porto agent no me did Hassan Chetinkaya one the agent and my Bronte the for the Victor Jokeres and that cost between 70 and 80 million pounds and still a sporting sleep in 24 I brought for the Victor Jokeres and I brought the D and the Victor Jokeres about the Sakai and the Arsenal bobo kono I brought for the Antibo Lukman a lot today that I'm giving the trust of Sakai about Mountain BC or catch a Mountain BC in Professor Pasoko Nanina report on the Peneseka Patasa between Barcelona and of the PN to bobo kono over interest over brought for the Antibo Lukman and to report on the Peneseka Mama brought for the Victor Joshua Seaman where a player second Obononti to Galatasaray Sport Club me prochoma me fonto no pesa Manchester United bobo kono according to intelligence no pay me gather from the corridors of Manchester United live on Champagne TV live on Champagne 93.1 from Air Patasa Waterman Patron the Victor James see but Manchester United play from the man talk to say the 63 million pounds termination clause and so the contract him I will not pull about could more on the care I should to man pull off already to the Victor James or Seaman and Pa whatever second to Manchester United and in a near to the next season as you Premier League the Bayer Toro what I said last and talk and I'm part already to Raheem Sterling Shaquille reported in the pay may second the Patas already to Raheem Sterling so June for Bobo Kurma stressing because I want Brantia the friend Raheem Sterling won't win a car and then a mistake you want to not shoot to the show what do you Patra Brantia the thing as soon unless is shack the sack as you appeal second when you cast it to Bobo correct reported in the pay may second Patterson say command the system pass and put the phone anymore about really show Coco second the pass and Bobo Kunum me Patro Tim and Tobacco show and you live for Bobo Kunum to the person live for Bobo Kunum to a bar or better must attend that's what the money for Bobo Kunum to salute for Pumper for attribute to all register or Baba Sakai and shoot the money for Bobo Kunum to the reporter on the pay may second the Patro ready to the Andrew Nano to Saudi Arabia if you cannot bring or Cocote Nelson Peto Quintano and reporter on the pay and also Panami Patro Manchester that's what to be told Mama already to the Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Alvaro El Temprano Rapino Bokina El Pinto to the north of the sea Ronaldo and then the Patro to the body country Portugal also first leg then I am a Patro UEFA Nations League quarterfinals now Portugal not set to be correct Denmark Etobo Kabakon and Patro didn't come to time as one for Portugal national team Portugal from return and counter now we must to be again Denmark national team Etobo coming me Patro Ramote Academy already to the Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Alvaro to the Tottenham Abrante Fene Joachim Anderson Ebo Ogo and for Abrante the thing also and Francesco Trenco two goals now from Cristiano Ramos and a good person to Portugal for Omar Reches to be fair so we Tomac Bobokono and Master National Team and the one from one for France National Team National Team Christian Kabukano and on Patro the Tennessee Christian National Team we must went to Michael Olise and now for Somali Dembele Elsa Kuno Dembus me Patro Bom and two goals in the first national team and to penalties edition session first national team me Patro Botman Christian national team 5-4 on penalties and the from I'm a first qualified to the next stage of the competition me Patro Spain national team women in Nantanas Equia 3-3 me Patro game no could we now the tennis about drawn to send the penalties session me Patro 5-4 on penalties no Spain and Nantanas and shoot to from and you must let me quit and shoot to Nantanas national team I'm a friend Germany for Lobon and Italy 3-3 me Patro penalties no my friend to the and also on aggregate to the Germany for Lobon Poboton national to qualify and Nelson Peto Kaway and yes someone to the brain no national bar no money to the 9:30 at Chelsea the full-time details national the ball Manchester want to the national to be told no one Patro Ronaldo but no friend to the before the game Denmark and Portugal and now Ronaldo award where the player will winning most matches with the national team 132 wins and Ronaldo since we're making it debut in Portugal national team and also say goal and your goal number 929 goals the professional career and already playing as the Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Alvaro El Temprano Rapino Bokina El Picho Sotomasha Adam Emma no when the career the Nelson Peto Country and Ronaldo stories are on the pay and also Panamia Gymnast Yatas 9:30 whatever may be full-time details now and so the ball come on I'm on the person let me go up next and I get your beer live for Shumpa 93.1 on the Facebook now for the now shout out to the state the Paris can do quota now when you Shumpa TV show to quota national for Shumpa TV on YouTube now subscribe now to the state now and some by your guama Libya Boga and now some to talk now by Libya Boga Juma what bono and not Juma to talk what I say also Libya Boga no our experience what I said or someone when I'm old in there and after someone answer that what Tracia must have been run and now some to talk team no my ya I do watch maybe I will be on pay me chow no and then ya woman Libya Boga and then on my now be piasso at me I stay tuned now Libya Boga no so now for one summer another details won't be that so 93.1 FM and market rapper Yakamo.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing. but nothing better than having it saved. BetSaver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. BetSaver. Win, even if your bet misses.
21st clinic, yes, sciatica expect. Sciatica no, or nerves never to us and if I was